Everybody, welcome to CodeSFit. Today we are going to discuss about LRUCAS algorithm. So in operating system we have a RAM. Okay, so there is a limited size of RAM. Suppose this is our RAM, which can store only 4 pages at a time, and suppose I have a 1, 2, 3 and 4 page, and now I want to my program which is running want to access 5th page, and 5th page is present in our local address space, means logical address space. Suppose 5th page is present here. My program is telling the RAM that I want 5th page. Okay, so here RAM will check 5th page is present in a RAM or not. So 5th page is not present, so RAM would do a page fault. Okay, so when a page fault is occurring, then we need to delete any page in this RAM and replace with 5. So suppose I am deleting 1 and replacing 1 with 5. Okay, so LRUCAS is one of the page replacement algorithm. So we will discuss about much. Let's start with the design. So in LRUCAS, let's discuss about some of the requirements. Okay, so we have a first one is we have a limited number of size. Okay, so our window size is limited. That is cache window size. Okay, another one is accessing method. So our accessing method should be fast in O of 1 operation. Okay, so before jump into both requirement, let's discuss about what is LRUCAS. So suppose my window size is 3. Okay, at a time my RAM can store only 3 pages, and my program is using paging in this sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, 8. Okay, so page 1 is coming. I will enter in my sequence in my window. Page 2 is coming, page 3 is coming. Okay, now page 4 is coming. So page 4 is coming, then my page fault is occurring, and I need to replace least recently used. Okay, so in this case my least recently used element is 1, so I will remove 1, and so currently my least recently used is 3, and I will enter 4. Again 1 is coming, so least recently is 2 would be removed, and 1 would be enter. Okay, now my 3 is coming, so for that we have already 3 in our cache, so we need to change my least recently used is 4. 3 would be at the end. So here we are going to perform two operations. One is searching and another is deleting element. Let's think about searching. So which data structure I can use which can search any operation in O of 1? So like we can use array and map. Okay, so currently we have two options. It can be multiple. Let's consider these two options for now. And my another operation is delete element. So for deleting element, we can in array we can use do in O of n, but in linked list we can do is O of n. But if we have access of node using map and we want to delete, then and we are using doubly linked list, then we can delete in O of 1. Okay, so let's take a searching operation. For searching operation we will use map, and for delete operation we will use doubly linked list. Okay, consider the similar example. This one 1 2 3 4 3. Suppose this is our sequence and we have a similar window size is 3. Okay, and my map is going to store page number which is integer and node pointer of doubly linked, and here we have a doubly linked list. So this is my dummy front and dummy at the beginning, dummy back. Okay, so it connected with doubly link. Now my first page is coming, means 1. So let's add one page in our doubly linked list. Like my node is 1 and this is my dummy pack. Okay, so we are connecting with doubly linked list, and my map, similarly my map is storing page number and this node, entire node. Okay, now suppose I want to search whether 1 is present or not. I can directly check mp.find 1, which is happening in O of 1 operation. Suppose I want to delete 1. So for deletion 1 I can access node pointer directly using map. So suppose I want to delete this node. So I suppose let's say this node name is P. Okay, so I can delete P something like that, P previous, which is this element, and its next is equal to P next. So this link would be done, and similarly we need to do backlink. So P next previous is equal to P previous. Okay, so this is gonna be to backlink. So now my P is deleted, so this operation is performing in O of 1. And for a new element I am going to add in the back side of the element. So we can directly add, like suppose I want to add P, which is new element in this double linked list. So I have access of back pointer, so I can write something like that: db previous, next is P. So suppose currently my queue is something like that, df and dp. So dp previous, which is df, and its next is P. Okay, this link done. And P's previous is equal to db's previous, which is this link, and similarly P next is equal to dp and dp previous, which is this link, and dp's previous is equal to P, which is this link. So this can be performed in O of 1 also. And if we want to remove least recently used, suppose like my double link is something like that. Suppose I have an element A, B, C, and here db. Okay, suppose my RAM is occurring page fault, so I need to remove this least recently used element for now. Okay, so for removing a element I can directly write df next is df next to next. Okay, and df next, next previous is equal to df. Okay, so we link this and this, and we removed a, so this operation is performing O of 1 also. So I discussed all the operations in O of 1. Hope this problem is clear to you. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe for more. Bye bye, see you in the next video.